Good morning, Standard 4. Good morning, students. The lesson for today is a continuation of what we did yesterday, okay? We always want to try to do our work. Don't put excuses. So we're going to start with adding mentally. Adding mentally is doing it in your head, right? And then you're going to use the method called the split method, okay? The split method is maybe confusing, but once you understand it, then you will get it done very fast. So this is sometimes called the decomposition, coming from the word decompose, lo van a descomponer el número, okay? Partitioning or partial sum strategy. You can add or subtract the tens separately to the ones or units, but we're going to do addition in this one and then subtraction on the other. So for example, using this split strategy to add 46 and 43, what will the answer be? You might want to use calculators and things, but you can work it out in your head, right? And then at the beginning, it might not be easy, it might take longer, but once you practice and practice, then it's going to become easy for you to do these strategies. So, what will I do here? You will split each number, decompose into tens and ones. So, this number has ones here and tens, right? Same thing with these ones and tens. So 46 and 43 can be decomposed. The 46 can be into 40 plus 6. So this here is just telling you that we have 46. I have decomposed it into tens and ones. This actually is the 23. So what we are doing now, we know that we can add with zeros, right? 20 and 40 will give me 60. So what I can do here is that I will say, okay, 20 and 40 is 60, and then 6 and 3 will give me 9, and then adding with 0 is easy, it is 69. So I didn't use any calculator, I work it out in my mind. So rearrange the tenth and 1 just like what I did a while ago here. 40 plus 20 give me 60, and the 60 plus the 9 will be equal to 69. Okay, so that's quite easy. In doing subtraction, let us try another one here. Let's do another example here. Let's do 57 plus 23. So here we break it out into 50 and the 7. That's the 1. And then it's going to be 20 and 3. Okay. So 50 and 20, we're going to add the big numbers first. 50 and 20. It's going to give us, right? So we arrange it 50 plus the 20. That gives me there 70, and then I can add that mentally, 7 and the 3, that's 10. So 70 plus 10 give me 80. So my answer is 80. It might look like a much working, right? But what we are doing is practicing. All this little section here is only explaining you. It's not you have to do all this working, right? And so arranging it, splitting it, decomposing it. Let's do one with the subtracting mentally. For subtraction such as 69 plus minus 46, you would split or decompose each number into tens and ones. So this 60 plus 9 is actually the 69 that we are doing. We have decomposed it into tens and ones. 40 plus 6 is the 46, right? The 4 is tens. How do I get the 40? Because 4 groups of 10 is 40. How do I get the 60? Because 6 group of 10 is 60. So I remove the brackets. So 60 plus 9 minus 40 plus 6. So I join the 10. 60 minus 40 will give me 20 here, and 9 minus 3 give me 3. So my answer is 23. Let us work out another example. 75 minus 31. Once you get good with this section, I'll say 70 minus 30, because I know the 7 is 70 and the 3 is 30. So I get 40, right? And then I will say 5 minus 1 give me 4. So my answer is going to be 44. Very fast, you can work it out. And then you use your calculator to check it. Let's do another example. 97 minus 45. No, another. When you get so good at this, you will just say 9 because you know that these both of them are in the tens value. If they both of them are in the tens value, it's even easier because a 9 minus 4 give me 5 and 7 minus 5 give me 2. So my answer is 52. So you see what I did here? 9 minus 4 because both of them are in the tens. So let's say 90 minus 40 is 50, right? 9 minus 4 and then it's a 7 minus 5 give me 2. Okay, and that will give me 52. So I'll take the 5 in the tens and put the 2 in the ones. And easy as that, student. Go back and try a one. Do not use a calculator, okay? Try to do it mentally, and maybe it's gonna take you a little bit longer at the beginning, but when you are in number 9, you will be knowing that you are getting it faster, right?